Tonight, I'm announcing that the travel ban in the city of Buffalo will be lifted just after midnight at 12:01 a.m. I'm also announcing that Buffalo City Hall will be open tomorrow. In regards to the storm cleanup, significant progress has been made on main streets, secondaries, and residentials. I've toured many areas across the city over the last few days, and I'm pleased with the progress that has been made. Today alone, we had over 450 pieces of equipment across the city, plowing and hauling snow. We still have a ways to go, but we have come a long way in just a couple of days. This will allow our residents to get back to work, allow them to get to supermarkets, pharmacies, and to get to medical appointments. I'm asking people to still be cautious, and if you don't need to drive, please don't. A travel advisory will be in place as the storm cleanup continues, and lots of equipment will be on city streets hauling and removing snow.